Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. So good news, man, it's been 11 videos in a row now that you guys have gotten our channel re-monetized again. My thumb is getting up and spamming comments on all the videos. I really appreciate it. Now we're getting our views back up, which is awesome. Obviously with that comes a little bit more money, and as you guys can probably tell, we're putting more money into these videos. So thank you so much for that. Keep blasting that like button. I'm actually gonna give you another reason to really like this later, and also comment down below. That's awesome. Thank you guys so much. Let's go for 20 maybe. Now one more thing, man, y'all see the title of this video. If you guys want some cheaper stuff than we're about to unbox in this video that celebrities haven't worn, go click that link down below. That's our website, NameBranFam.com. Most things are free on there. All I ask you to do is pay shipping, and a little secret, if you guys actually add 2 free things to your cart, you can add that in with the price of 1 shipping. Win-win everywhere. And also all the money I get from the website I put into these videos helps so much. Appreciate it. Go click that link down below. To get into it, man, this is a funny premise of a video because I actually just got hit up by somebody. I guess it was like a week ago by now because it all just came in the mail now. They sent me a link to this website and they're like, bro, this stuff's fake. However, as you guys can see by the screenshot, I'm just gonna highlight it. They claim celebrities are wearing this fake stuff, bro. You should probably review it. And it makes sense, you know, I've been putting companies on blast lately for claiming stupid things. Like, we just unboxed some stuff that they claim would pass the diamond tester test and it doesn't. So he sent me that, and I don't know what you want me to do, buddy. Maybe I should call these celebrities up and ask them if they're actually wearing the gear, but I just don't know. I just thought that was a hilarious title. And now it gave me an excuse to actually do this video because a ton of you guys for the longest time have been asking me to review this stuff that I'm about to unbox right now. The reason I didn't want to is because it's literally like $800 worth of stuff, and it's once again fake. You guys know I don't wear fake stuff, and I'm really trying to put my money into more real stuff. Actually, new video coming soon with some real jewelry to add to my little setup right here, but I just never had the excuse to drop that type of money, even for a review for you guys. It just seemed a little crazy. Then once again, buddy hit me up on Instagram with this crazy title idea. I'm like, alright bro, you win. Let's do it. That's hilarious. So with that being said, we're unboxing some real expensive fake jewelry that apparently celebrities wear. I guess my one job here, because I can't call them up and ask, is to see if this actually is good enough and looks real enough where I'd be like, alright, maybe they do wear this. Who knows? Alright, man, so we got the package right, oh god, address. Got the package right here. Never show the address again. As you guys know, people started sending me dilds because I leaked my address in one video, and it went wild. Like, literally 2 people sent me dilds in the mail. The goof was funny until my girlfriend saw me unboxing this crap on the couch. It looked real weird. So, this is actually stuff, and you'll probably see right away in a second who this is from. Blow. The company Shop GLD. Oh, brand, da-da-da-da-da. I thought you talk crap about them. I do, but I don't have anything against them. I just think it's fun. Ooh, first thing, we have a little envelope here that looks like it came straight from Harry Potter's bedroom. I think I'm a wizard now. Am I being accepted into something cool? Oh, it's authenticity and lifetime guarantee card. Great, awesome. Don't need it. One thing I will say when I say I don't need that is this stuff that I unboxed right here. I don't wear fake jewelry. I've got no reason to have it. Not gonna lie to you guys, I spent so much money on it that I'm probably just gonna resell it on eBay and try to gain some of my money back. However, I will give you guys a chance to actually win this stuff. This is gonna be hard, but if we can get 5,000 thumbs up within the day, I'm saying within 24 hours, I actually will pick 2 people to send 2 of these things out to. It's an expensive giveaway, man. So I'm gonna set the bar high. Without further ado, here's some stuff from Shop GLD that apparently famous people wear. Now I will say, Shop GLD also does do their real stuff, so I don't know when they make that claim, it's like maybe the celebrities bought the real versions. I don't know. It's not my job to judge. Well, it is, actually, because I'm putting people on blast lately. I am gonna judge. Shop GLD, man, you should be a little bit more, you know, precise about this. Like, oh yeah, celebrities wear this, but they paid the 50 grand for it as opposed to the $400. You know what I mean? So I will put them on blast. Ridiculous. Anyway, here we go. Man, I'm stoked because I've been wanting to do this video for a long time. But yeah, it's stuff you guys have been asking me to review. We're gonna save this one for last. Yeah, I know what one that is. We'll go to this one. Well, let's check it out, bro. Let's check it out. Yeah, I don't think, oh, damn, this is big. Who in the is gonna believe that I actually got this and it's real? I can't afford a 10-pound chain, buddy. Whoa. Alright, so I'm gonna try to review this as best as possible. Can you get away with wearing this as it is being fake? Da-da-da-da-da. Well, celebrities think that as well. Now, I will tell you, I have never seen a chain this big in person that was real. I have seen a bunch of smaller ones from when I was in LA. I got some boys out there that have a lot more money than I do. And they're wearing, like, obviously the, god damn, I look like a Pitbull. What is that, a collar? This is just insane. I spent so much money on this video just because this dude gave me the funniest title idea. I go with the Goofs Boys, even though it's gonna cost me more. As you guys can see, I'm heating up my diamond tester right now because we're definitely about to put this one up. But yeah, quick review on this one. I guess a lot of people have also been asking because they have this buy one get one crap on there right now. But it looks mad good, bro. Lil Pump's a small dude. How does he put all these on his neck? One thing I do find funny about this website as this heats up, oh, she's ready. They do have the real items. Now, at one point, I do want to be able to afford something real like this. Maybe not so big, but I don't think I'd ever buy it from Shop GLD because they always put their goddamn logo on it right there. And right off the bat, people mostly know Shop Gold for friggin' selling fake stuff, so I feel like I'm gonna get too much flack from people being like, yo, it's fake, it's Shop GLD. We got the 4 prongs out. We're being fair about this. If you guys watched last video, my watch from them actually tested positive with this diamond tester, but no others. What's happening? What's happening? All right, test. Oh, she's close actually. You see that? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Yeah, so we're getting like, yeah, so that's how crappy this is. This is saying it's actually real. Yeah, now nothing's coming up. So yeah, these are crap. This is a $20 one from Amazon. I actually have another one here. This is just fun to me to diamond test stuff. This was 500 bucks, so I'm trying to get my use out of it, you know what I mean? Also, I just feel super, super powerful, professional, holding such a mechanism that costs more than my frickin' Xbox. We'll test this, we'll move on to the next one. I don't really know how to review this for y'all, even though y'all have been asking. You kind of see how it is. I think it looks more real than any other fake thing you'll ever get. Does Kevin Durant wear it? I'm not sure. Once again, I'll make sure to call LeBron James to get his number later, so. Okay, she's ready. Let's diamond test it with the real. That was me hitting metal. Yeah, nothing comes up. Here's the next one here, man. This is the one that everyone's been asking me to review. Now, I will say also, their packaging is impeccable. I'm pretty sure that might be crocodile skin, which might be fully illegal. Okay, okay. So I've actually been stoked for this. If you guys follow them on Instagram, they always show this one. I don't know if they're trying to promote it heavy because it's just new or if everyone wants it. Not sure. And as y'all can see, this next one here, this one was $400 Canadian, and I think they call this the cluster tennis chain. I really don't know if they like created this design on their own or if this has already been a design. I feel like the Queen of England if I'm wearing this though. It looks a little girly to me. It looks real girly to me actually. It's so weird. I guess it doesn't matter when you have 100 racks of diamonds around your neck, but that's kind of how it looks right there. It shines real nice actually. Wow. Yeah. That looks actually just as cool as they show on their little Instagram videos. This is the one, everyone tags me whenever it comes up, Bran, you gotta review it. Boys, you see, I don't even have a flashlight on showing how actually much it glares, but this is crazy. Oh, except for this part. Another reason I'll never buy the real version. They Shop GLD, it's like, hey, let's buy a real chain that says AliExpress on it. I bet nobody's gonna call me out. This one I actually checked. If you got the real version on their website, it's $88,000 Canadian. This one's 400. On the back of it, we got all the G's right there. But this thing's actually really cool. I don't know, man. I guess if you live in LA and you want to make it as a rapper and you want to flex like you're doing it, I guess you'd wear this. I just don't know. I think it's too big and too unbelievable for anyone to wear on their own. Unless you don't care about it being fake. I don't know. Maybe that's just how people think. I care. I have somewhat of an ego that I have to do good with or something. I'm self-conscious about it is what I'm trying to say, but that's it. That's the next chain. Wiz Khalifa, I think next time I see him out in public in Winnipeg, I'm gonna go ask him, hey, do you actually rock this chain, you douche? Now for the diamond tester. Hopefully you guys like this video, man. Please give it a thumbs up or let me know if you want more things reviewed off this website. The whole thing is, man, it's just expensive. So we got the $20 diamond tester right here, right on the big diamond here. And as y'all can see, that's like a big diamond. I'm surprised it's actually only 88,000 Canadian if it's real. And that's VVS diamonds. So boom, no. I don't know what one bar means. I don't know what any bars mean. I know what red means and that means real. So we'll just take it as that. Next one here, also one bar. Crazy. yeah, so this is crap. But yeah, man, there you go. This is, like I say, something that you guys have been asking me to review for a long time. Been putting it off because it's so expensive for what it is. This is gonna sit in a box till either give it away or sell it. But nonetheless, man, I think they look as real as it can get. Anyway, man, that's it for today. We got a bunch of house renos going on this week, so videos are gonna be a little sporadic. We're busting out this whole wall right here. We're redoing the whole kitchen. People are gonna be in and out. I'm doing a lot of it, and yeah, so it's gonna be like pretty crazy, but we're gonna make it work. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. We're gonna get in the greatest of all time. Y'all the guts. Signing up for now. NameBran fans, real strong, bro. Blow.